Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. In my last update, we had just hit here this support level of the orange target area. Yeah, and as you can clearly see, we are currently below the area. So to make it still work as a wave 4, what we have to do, we have to change the wave count. As I already told you yesterday, what we might have to do is that we are making the alternative count to the primary one, and that we say wave 4 was a triangle actually. Yeah, well, you can count it as a triangle or just as an ABC in here. And the wave 5 would be the high, the wave 3 there, this wave 4 here, and then the wave 5 still missing. That takes out 1-1-2 setup. Why is that? Well, it doesn't take it out, but it assumes it's already finished this wave 5. Why is that important? I think it is more likely, it's basically the last chance it has, because this wave 4 has now dropped too low. I mean, it doesn't invalidate it, because the wave 4 really, the yellow wave 4 really would only get invalidated if it gets into the price region of the yellow wave 1, but we've dropped more than the box, which is more than the 50% retracement, which makes a wave 4 very unlikely. And then for me is more likely that we move this wave 3 over, and then we can recalculate targets. That's what I showed you in yesterday's video, because it allows me to adjust the target area. And based on this, yeah, and I mentioned that 38.3 cent level in the previous video. Based on that, we have now hit this 50% retracement at 38.3 cents, and really here it should now turn around and move to the upside. That would be important. If it doesn't do that, I mean, if it goes below it with a wick or so, not good. But if it comes down really, really strong, I can't count it as a 3-4 anymore. I would have to look at a 1-2-1-2 setup, which again is not a disaster, but it just delays any rally, and it will delay confirmation that we have really a nice 5-wave impulse to the upside. So that would be sort of an alternative that I say we have here a 1-2-1-2 setup. So be ready for that. If we talk about this being a 1-2 setup in the next video, don't be surprised. It wouldn't necessarily be bearish, but it would again put some doubt on the direct bullish scenario, because it would mean that the next wave would need to rally. And if we say it's a 1-2 setup, so here 1-2 and then here another wave 1, here a 2, then it should not retrace more than 36.2 cents. Then in that case, that's a 78.6 retracement, and then we have a 1-2, and the next wave would be a 3 to the upside. So let's see if that is happening. What isn't great is that ADA is retracing much more than, for example, Ethereum is doing. So, but at the moment, I would still expect a 5th wave to the upside. What other ways are there to calculate target? So first of all, here in this wave 4, I would label this as a wave A, here a B, here a C. A way to calculate target would be to take the length of wave A and add it to the beginning of the C wave, and we have also here reached perfectly the equality projection, which is the 38.3 cent level. So there's numerous factors pointing towards the 38.3 cent level being a key support level and a possible low for wave C. So needs to move higher from here. Key level, key confirmation level, or what would be a good indication that we are already starting with wave 5? Well, the first indication would be to move back above the channel. That would be a first good indication. And for me, the confirmation would be a move above the wave B high at 40.4 cents. And then we can reach sort of the area between, I would say, 44, 45 cents in 5 of 1. So yeah, that's my update about ADA. Interesting day. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.